The V here tells the cp command to be verbose, so we see each copy operation. And I'm specifying star to use file name expansion to match all of the files. Then I'm using the 2 dots and a slash in the destination path to indicate that other folder is a child of this folder's parent folder. That is, the cp command will have to go up a folder level to find other folder. And if I scroll up here, there's some errors. I couldn't copy some files, the ones named with 015, which you remember I blocked everyone from reading. And the other files copied just fine. So I'll clear the screen. I'll get rid of everything in that other folder. I'll write another command here, and I'll explain it in just a minute. These numbers, 1 and 2, represent the standard output and standard error, respectively. The greater than symbol represents redirecting the output from each of those somewhere else. So the successes will go to a file called success.txt, and the errors will go into a file called error.txt. I'm putting them one level up, so if I want to run this command again, I won't be copying my success and error files into the other folder. And that time there was no feedback. That's because I redirected both regular messages that would normally appear at the standard output and the errors to text files instead. This can be pretty handy if you want to capture the outputs of commands that you're running.